Today I am repairing the power plug on my son's laptop. These wires are broken off, so I had to cut the casing off and resolder them, and the blue and the red wire were completely detached just from being plugged in and unplugged so many times. So I just resoldered those, and I'm going to use some hot glue to put some glue around this part here so the contacts don't touch, and then I'll put heat shrink over it. Okay, now I've got it covered in hot glue so those contacts can't touch. And here we have it after I put the heat shrink over it. Here we have it plugged in, and you can see that it is charging. Let's make sure it powers on. And there we go, it's working just fine.